The second question is to find values of sine and cosine by using sum and difference identities. But since it's in the MCQ, you can use any method and get the answers. Let's read this real life situation. A geologist measures the angle between one side of the rectangular lot and the line from a position to the opposite corner of the lot as 30 degrees. See, one side of the rectangular plot, so we can consider this as one side. Her position G, geologist, is over here, and this is the corner, opposite corner. This angle is given as 30, it's mentioned here. And then she measures the angle between that line, just now which we got, that line, and the line to the point on the property where a river crosses as 45 degrees. So from this line to another line which the property crosses the river, this one has 45 degrees. Okay. Now first let's find what is this angle from two knowns. It'll be 90 because it's a rectangular plot. All the corners are 90 degrees, isn't it? So we have 90 minus 45 minus 30. It will be 45 minus 30. That's 15 degrees. So this angle over here is 15 degrees. Okay. Now what next? She stands 100 meters from the opposite corner of the property. That means this to this length is 100 meters. How far is she from the point at which the river crosses the property line? Okay, they are asking us to find this distance from there. See, this one. I'll call it G2A. Okay, GA distance is required. So what do we need over here? We know this angle is 15. We need this hypotenuse. So unknown value, x is already mentioned. I'll put y over here. Now, can we find this length? We can find x. Because I know this angle is 30, I know the hypotenuse is 100. Which connects this hypotenuse and this angle? It's sine theta, and the opposite side, sorry. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, isn't it? So I will put sine theta is 30 degrees is equal to opposite is x by 100. And now solve for x, that is take this to the other side, be 100 sine 30 degrees equals x. That's the thing. Now once you solve x over here, you can easily find y, because this is known, it's 15 degrees. What is the angle which is the trigonometric function which connects the adjacent and hypotenuse? It's cos theta, that is adjacent by hypotenuse over here. And here we have adjacent side to be x, by hypotenuse is considered y, cos theta is 15 degrees, right? Now x value we have found it out over here, so take this y to the other side, it will be x divided by cos 15 degrees. Now we will type it out in the calculator. Now please remember, this degrees is in degrees, it's not in radians, so please keep it in degrees itself. Don't shift to radians or anything. The answer for x is 50. Now 50, the answer divided by cosine of 15 degrees will give you the answer, that is 51.76. Let's just check the answer. Here the figure is drawn again, and as you can see here, yes, we got the same answer as well. It's 51 point, approximated to 8. That's the correct answer. So this is how easily you can solve it. And here we have the same figure drawn. That's it. Please try to understand the relationship between the trigonometric functions, how it connects all the hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite sides, and then it will be very easy.